Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing top and best cherry trees, 5, 11, 12, and 13 of the 13.6. The first tree is called STO13, and basically with this tweak, it's an iOS jailbreak tweak to provide a simple and efficient way to launch apps from within folders. A long press on the folder will pop up a video menu around the finger containing all the icons within the folder. Once the STO menu is displayed, all you have to do is launch application, is slide to it, release your finger, apps with pen notifications will be displayed in the STO menu with a red glow. Next is called NowPlan Indicator, show an icon in the status bar while music is playing. Supports iOS 14. Next is called Flex, permanently hide elements with a flexible or any other tweak that uses flex. Next is called SaveShutdown, and basically, if you're in safe mode after install, just run ID or LD restart. Compatible with iOS 13. It aims to help you avoid having to re-jailbreak after your phone runs out of battery. So it's a fake shutdown. It initiates a fake shutdown when your battery gets to a certain percentage, and basically it puts in like the lowest state of power. So it uses like barely any battery, and helps keep your battery, basically your device alive. It acts like it's dead. But the only thing about this tweak is that when you get home or get to somewhere and get to charge your phone, your device come back on, but it will still be in a jailbroken state because it didn't actually shut off. So, if you have a hassle after re-jailbreak, then this tweak could save you. This is called MissSettings, and tune your iOS 25 tweets in one. This is called Silent Messenger. This is called Silent Messenger. Basically, what this tweet does: stealth mode for Messenger and Facebook. This is called Instagram Plus, your most complete Instagram tweak. So it's basically all these features, and it's basically a Instagram plus alternative. This is called NoTimePro. See when notifications are about to leave with dynamic colors. This is called Not Finical. As this web gesture to a lost screen music player, which dismisses it. This is called Bossy IV. Brand new Bossy. Basically, without support, you can easily control your icon layout with a quick swipe up on the home screen. You can drag the layout box around to adjust the layout of the icons. You can also pinch to adjust icon size. Really easy and intuitive. Next, we've got a Home Plus Pro, Home Plus Beta, and dynamic live home screen layout with intuitive UI. And this is the home screen Home Plus Beta, and like I said, dynamic live home screen layout with intuitive UI. This is called N95, mask album artwork images in the Apple Music. This is called Bongwater, and basically completely redesigned the phone app contact screen. And the last tweak is called Custom Sounds 13. And basically, what this tweak does, tweak that aims to allow users to customize the sounds of the device, sounds devices make. You can set the charge sound, lock sound, and more. So yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.